In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync contacts and leads from Zoho CRM to Zoho campaigns. Whether you're a seasoned Zoho user or just getting started with their suite of tools, this guide will help you seamlessly integrate your CRM contacts into your marketing campaigns. This ensures that your customer engagement is both efficient and effective. To get started, ensure you're logged into both Zoho CRM and Zoho campaigns. This integration will streamline your workflow and save you time by synchronizing your contact data automatically. First, navigate to your Zoho campaigns dashboard. This is where the magic happens. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. It's essential to know where key features are located to make this process smooth. Now, look towards the top of your dashboard and find the Contacts tab. This is your gateway to managing who receives your campaigns. Click on Contacts to open up options specifically related to managing your audience. Here, you'll find various ways to organize and handle your contact lists, which is crucial for targeted marketing. Next, direct your attention to Sync Services. Click on this and it will take you to a platform area that lets you pick from a variety of integrations. From here, you want to select Zoho CRM as your service to synchronize. This step ties your CRM directly with your campaigns, making sure no contact is left behind. You'll see an option labeled New Sync. Go ahead and click it. This prompts the start of your synchronization journey, providing a fresh slate for pulling contacts into Zoho campaigns. Bear in mind, setting up a new sync is like creating a new bridge between your data points, allowing information to flow seamlessly. Now it's time to select module. Think of modules as categories or groups in your CRM. Deciding which module to sync is important as it determines which contacts and leads get copied over. Modules could be anything from leads, customers, to any custom group you've set up in Zoho CRM. Once your module is chosen, you have an option to sync to lists. Though optional, this step is valuable if you wish to specify certain lists in Zoho campaigns for your imported contacts. Take advantage of this for managing more focused campaigns. Don't forget to set the subscription type. This determines how your contacts are classified, such as subscribed or unsubscribed, ensuring compliance with regulations and preferred communication settings. Consider the option to update empty field value. By enabling this, you allow Zoho campaigns to refresh any missing data fields with information available from CRM, thus maintaining comprehensive records. Finally, click Next. This action processes your synchronization setup. You'll witness data flowing from Zoho CRM into Zoho campaigns, setting your marketing machine in motion. This comprehensive sync means that going forward, any updates or new entries in your CRM automatically reflect in your campaigns, allowing for up-to-date and personalized customer interactions. By syncing your contacts and leads this way, you not only save time but also enhance the accuracy and relevance of your marketing efforts. This setup is perfect for businesses aiming to harness their customer data for better engagement and outcomes. Thank you for watching, and happy syncing.